looking for your next Mediterranean escape. Let me tell you about Nirvana Mediterranean Excellence, a hotel that promises luxury and relaxation along Turkey's stunning coastline. Now, I know what you're thinking, another hotel review, right? But stick with me here because this place has some interesting features worth exploring. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, understanding what this resort offers can help you make the right choice for your hard-earned vacation days. Let's talk about where you'll actually be resting your head at night, because let's face it, the room can make or break your entire vacation experience. Nirvana Mediterranean Excellence offers a variety of accommodation options designed to suit different needs and budgets. The standard rooms provide comfortable spaces with modern amenities that you'd expect from a quality resort. These rooms typically feature contemporary decor with clean lines and a Mediterranean color palette that helps you feel relaxed the moment you walk through the door. Most rooms come equipped with air conditioning, which is absolutely essential during those hot summer months when the Turkish sun is beating down. You'll find flat-screen televisions for those rare moments when you want to catch up on news or unwind with some entertainment, and minibars stocked with refreshments for when you need a quick drink without leaving your room. The bathrooms are well appointed with modern fixtures, and many rooms include both shower and bathtub options, giving you flexibility in how you want to freshen up after a long day of activities. For those seeking something more spacious, the suites offer additional living areas that provide separation between sleeping and lounging spaces. This is particularly useful if you're traveling with family or if you simply appreciate having room to spread out. The suites often feature enhanced amenities and upgraded furnishings, with some offering separate bedrooms and more luxurious bathroom facilities. Many rooms provide balconies or terraces where you can step outside and breathe in that fresh Mediterranean air, and depending on your room category, you might enjoy views of the resort gardens, the sparkling pools, or even glimpses of the sea in the distance. The hotel also considers families traveling with children, offering family suites with configurations that accommodate parents and kids comfortably. These larger accommodations often include connecting rooms or additional sleeping arrangements to ensure everyone has their own space. For guests with accessibility needs, the resort provides specially designed rooms that meet international standards, featuring wider doorways, adapted bathrooms, and thoughtful layouts that make navigation easier for guests with mobility challenges. Now let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any vacation, the food and drink situation. After all, nobody wants to be stuck eating mediocre meals when you're supposed to be enjoying yourself. Nirvana Mediterranean Excellence takes dining seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars throughout the property to keep your taste buds entertained throughout your stay. The main restaurant serves as the heart of the dining experience, typically operating on an all-inclusive basis with buffet-style service for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here you'll find an impressive spread of international dishes alongside traditional Turkish cuisine, giving you the chance to sample local flavors or stick with familiar favorites if you're feeling a bit cautious about trying new things. The breakfast buffets usually feature everything from fresh pastries and breads to hot dishes, cereals, fruits, yogurts, and made-to-order options like omelets and pancakes. It's the kind of breakfast spread where you can fuel up properly before a day of activities or just graze leisurely if you're in vacation relaxation mode. Lunch service continues the variety with salads, grilled items, pasta stations, and rotating daily specials that keep things interesting even if you're staying for an extended period. Dinner elevates the experience with more elaborate presentations, themed nights that might focus on specific cuisines or culinary traditions, and live cooking stations where chefs prepare dishes right in front of you. Beyond the main restaurant, the resort typically offers specialty dining venues that require reservations and provide more intimate atmospheres. These might include an Italian restaurant serving authentic pasta dishes and wood-fired pizzas, a seafood restaurant highlighting the fresh catches from the Mediterranean, or a steakhouse for those craving premium cuts of meat. The a la carte restaurants give you a break from buffet dining and provide table service in more refined settings, perfect for celebrating special occasions or simply treating yourself to a different dining experience. When it comes to bars, you'll find several scattered throughout the property, each with its own character and offerings. The pool bar keeps you refreshed during daytime hours with cold beers, creative cocktails, soft drinks, and light snacks so you never have to stray far from your lounger when thirst strikes. The lobby bar provides a more sophisticated setting for evening drinks, often featuring live music or entertainment that creates a pleasant ambience for socializing. Some resorts in this category also feature beach bars if direct beach access is available, allowing you to enjoy drinks with your toes in the sand. The beverage selection typically includes local and international alcohol brands, fresh juices, sodas, coffee, and tea throughout the day. Snack times between meals are usually covered with afternoon treats, late-night snacks, and sometimes even ice cream stations that kids and adults alike appreciate. The pool and beach facilities often serve as the centerpiece of the resort experience, and this is where many guests spend the majority of their vacation time. Nirvana Mediterranean Excellence typically features multiple swimming pools designed to cater to different preferences and age groups. The main pool area usually serves as the social hub of the resort, with a large swimming pool that provides ample space for everyone to enjoy without feeling crowded, even during peak season. The pool depth varies, with shallow areas suitable for younger swimmers and deeper sections for those who actually want to swim laps or dive in. Surrounding the pools, you'll find extensive sun terrace areas lined with loungers and umbrellas, giving you plenty of options for finding your perfect spot in the sun or shade. The resort staff typically manages the lounger situation, and while finding the ideal spot might require an early start during busy periods, there's generally enough space for everyone. Many guests develop their favorite areas and return to the same spots each day, creating a sense of routine and comfort during their stay. For families with small children, there's usually a separate children's pool with shallower water, and sometimes fun features like small slides or water features that keep little ones entertained safely. The aquapark or water slide area, if available, adds an element of excitement and adventure, with slides of varying intensity levels that appeal to different age groups and thrill-seeking preferences. These water attractions can be a major highlight for kids and teenagers, providing hours of entertainment and giving parents some time to relax. The beach situation depends on the resort's specific location, as some properties offer direct beach access while others might require a short walk or shuttle service to reach the coastline. If the hotel has its own beach area, you can expect a similar setup to the pools, with loungers, umbrellas, and possibly cabanas available for guest use. The Mediterranean Sea provides a different swimming experience compared to pools, with natural waves, varying water temperatures, and that distinctive salty water that many people find therapeutic. Beach bars or service points ensure you can order drinks and snacks without leaving the sand, and some resorts offer water sports activities like jet skiing, parasailing, banana boat rides, or paddleboarding for those seeking more active beach experiences. Snorkeling equipment might be available for exploring the underwater world along the coastline, and some properties even offer diving excursions for certified divers or introductory courses for beginners wanting to try scuba diving. When it comes to staying active and entertained beyond just swimming and sunbathing, the resort provides various activities and facilities to keep you engaged throughout your stay. The fitness center caters to guests who maintain their workout routines even while on vacation, equipped with cardio machines like treadmills and ellipticals, weight training equipment, and sometimes even offering fitness classes like aerobics or aqua aerobics in the pool. Getting a workout in early morning while the resort is still quiet can be a refreshing way to start your day, and exercising on vacation somehow feels less like a chore and more like a choice. Sports facilities might include tennis courts where you can play a match with your travel companions, basketball courts, beach volleyball setups, and sometimes even football fields for team games. The animation team, a staple of Turkish resort culture, organizes daily activities that range from water polo matches and pool games to dance classes, language lessons, and various competitions that encourage guest participation. These activities provide structure to your day if you want it, or you can simply ignore them and do your own thing without any pressure. Evening entertainment typically includes shows, live music performances, themed parties, and sometimes even professional acts or tribute shows that provide quality entertainment after dinner. The entertainment might not rival a Broadway production, but it's generally enjoyable and gives you something to do in the evenings besides just sitting at the bar. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, excursion desks can arrange day trips to local attractions, historical sites, shopping areas, or adventure activities like rafting or jeep safaris. Table tennis, darts, billiards, and board games provide low-key entertainment options for those preferring quieter activities, and some resorts offer hobby classes like Turkish cooking lessons, handicraft workshops, or cultural presentations that give you insight into local traditions. The spa and wellness facilities offer a sanctuary for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation during their vacation. The spa typically features a traditional Turkish hammam experience, which is something you really should try at least once when visiting Turkey. The hammam involves lying on a heated marble platform while an attendant scrubs away dead skin and then covers you in bubbles for a massage, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. It's an authentic cultural experience that connects you to centuries of Turkish bathing traditions. Beyond the hammam, the spa offers various massage treatments ranging from Swedish and deep tissue to aromatherapy and hot stone massages, performed by trained therapists in peaceful treatment rooms designed to promote relaxation. Facial treatments, body wraps, and beauty services like manicures and pedicures round out the spa menu, giving you options for full pampering sessions. The wellness area usually includes a sauna where you can sweat out toxins and relax tense muscles, a steam room that opens your pores and helps with respiratory health, and sometimes even a snow room or ice fountain for those who enjoy contrast therapy. Some resorts feature indoor pools in the spa area, providing a quieter swimming option away from the main pool action. Jacuzzis and whirlpools offer hydrotherapy benefits while you soak away stress and muscle tension. The spa might operate on an appointment basis for treatments, which typically come at an additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package, but the basic facilities like sauna and steam room are usually included in your stay. Wellness programs might include yoga classes held in peaceful settings, meditation sessions, stretching classes, and sometimes even personal training sessions for those wanting professional guidance. The spa environment provides a calm escape from the busier areas of the resort, with soft music, dim lighting, and aromatic scents creating an atmosphere of tranquility. Spending a few hours at the spa can be the perfect way to treat yourself mid-vacation or to unwind before your departure. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.